looked at the clock, and I've been working at this for almost an hour. We've got like another 5 or so minutes before my hour is up. And I'm going to keep going because I want to finish this process, 1. And 2, I can't leave my kitchen so far because I've got things up on top of everywhere. So I need to vacuum and clean these out so I can put everything back. So that way it's not so... I haven't went down on the bottom yet, but I don't want to... I want to finish the process. So this may take me longer than an hour, and that's okay. Even though this was supposed to be a power hour, it's taking me a little bit longer. Because I want to make, because I'm going more detail with it. But then it's done, and I ain't got to worry about it for a while. So let me vacuum the cabinets out and wipe them out before I put new stuff in. Okay, I done added another project on myself. I have not liked that paper inside there ever since we moved here. Every time you try to wipe it or clean it, it's shifting on you, and I'm irritated with it. And this looks like it was just a board, because that was just irritating, trying to clean it and it wouldn't stay put. So I'm going to leave it on the wood for right now, because I don't have time to possibly paint it or whatever. So I'm going to leave it as is for right now, because that's the best I can do, because I don't have enough of the other contact paper and it's not sticking to that wood. So I don't know why, but maybe I can paint it or something. It would probably brighten it up in there, but for now I'm not going to worry about it. Put my cleaning caddy in the front, and then that round basket of stuff I put up in the back, along with some carpet cleaner and some bleach beside that. And then I did the waffle iron up in the back there behind the pipe, because I do not use that as often. It's kind of an awkward place to put it, but I have to deal with these pipes. And then that grill I use more often slid right underneath there. So that's way much better than it was. Now I've got my cleaning stuff over here, and everything's kind of in the caddy. I can pull the caddy out and use it as I need it. So I'm done with this part. Looks a whole lot better under there. Just having the 2 baskets in the back and then these in the front, and then making that my cleaning cabinet up here. And now I've got room under here to put some more appliances if I need to. So that's all I'm doing for today. I done spent about an hour and a half on what I've done, but I'm going to stop for today. If y'all are doing these challenges with me, let me know on, if you don't follow me on Instagram, at Savvy Serena, then that way I can see what y'all are doing too. See if y'all are doing any progress. I'd love to see what y'all are doing. so you can show me pictures and tag me on Instagram. And my link is down in the description, which is at Savvy Serena. So, y'all come back now. You hear?